What's up guys, today we're bringing you an update for the Work and Play giveaway. Now both trailers have been upgraded, outfitted with the 6K axle option. So the standard is 3,500. Now we've upgraded both to the 6K axle, which makes it that much more versatile. So what does that include? Number one, it includes a 6K axle, bigger GVWR we just talked about. Number two, you get trailer brake standard, which helps you stop. You add more weight, it's a little safer. You got trailer brakes. And number three, you've got those reverse lights, backup lights. So at nighttime you're backing up, putting it beside your shed or whatnot, beside the house, and you've got some light back there to see where you're going. So another $720 MSRP upgrade added to the value of your winnings. So make sure to get entered today to win one of these two trailers. Go with the Venture Series, the green one, Venture Edition, or the classic PSA over here, that metallic mocha. The choice is yours. Get entered today.